Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm conjuring up a magician inspired outfit that's sleek, mysterious, and totally spellbinding. So whether you're pulling rabbits or pulling hearts on the runway, this look brings the drama and the dazzle. Let's just get started. So in here for the hair, I'm using this ponytails hair and combined with the bangs from this too, and also this hairstyle. And for the color here, I'm using this red color, and this is the hex code. Now let's just get started to create the look. So first, I'm going to go in here to the men's sections and put on this top, toggle it into number 3. So I'm going to just use the fast, colored it all black, and also use the hat again all black color including the flowers like this. And now I'm going to put on this top first from the men's section, make the color white and make it silk, and in here combine the top with this corset, use all black color or this one, and now for the shoe I'm going to wear this ankle boots, so toggle it into knee length. I forgot to put on the stockings in here. And let's just go to the fitting room now. For the bottom, I'm going to use the skirt from this dress, toggle it into only skirt, change the color into all black. And for the top, you can combine it with this long sleeve from the code items, white color, and make it smooth. I'm going to wear the gloves in here, change the second and third preview into black. And in here I'm going to put on this jacket, toggle it into top only, and again use a black color. And here I'm going to put on this bow and toggle it into number 4, make the color black. And this is optional, you can also grab this fireworks to make it looks like a magician wand. You can also use these items to replace the magician wand, this one. So you can choose between that one or this. So guys, this is the magician look in DTI. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.